Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn vowel and consonant. So look at the board. There are 26 letters. In the letters, 5 vowels and one special vowel, and the rest are consonants. Let's see. First one is the vowel. Second is the consonant. Consonant. Next one, C is the consonant. Consonant. D is the consonant. Consonant. E is the vowel. Next one, F is the consonant. G is the consonant. H is the consonant. I is the vowel. J, consonant. Another one, K, consonant. L, M, and N are the consonant. O is the vowel. P, consonant. Q, consonant. R, S, and T are consonant. U is the last main vowels. Another one, V is the consonant. W, consonant. X, also consonant. Y, a special vowel. Last one, Z is the consonant. Consonant. My dear learners, I think some videos are hard, but don't give up. My dear learners, this video is for low level beginners. I think this video is very effective for low level beginners. So keep watching, my dear learners. Thank you for watching. Bye.